everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. And remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool little 1964 Chevrolet Malibu convertible. Tennessee car. Matter of fact, a buddy of mine, David, down there is the one who found me this car. I guess a little old lady has owned this car for quite a long time. This is an older restoration. You can nitpick the paint. Don't think that it's got show paint or anything like that on it. Still clean and straight, but neat car. And I will tell you one thing. This car really hits the road good. Big block 396. It's got the SS emblem and stuff on it, but this is not an original Super Sport car. Again, come out of Tennessee, finished in Ember red. It's got the Ivory interior, white convertible top. And like I say, in fact, when I bought the car, he sent me a picture of the lady standing next to the car. Big block 396, 4-speed, ladies car. Tubular front control arms. It's got boxed control arms in the rear with a rear sway bar. So the car handles really good. Again, older restoration. They say there's like 17,000 miles on the resto. Car's been done for 25 plus years. But a good straight driver. If you're looking for something to bang the gears and have fun, I think you'll like the car because it really hits the road good. Like I say, you can nitpick it. There's some stone packs, little chips in it. It's got all four of the original T3 headlights in it. Again, shifts out real good. Muncie 4-speed. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, it's got the white interior, which in a convertible I think is almost a must. Keeps the cab 20 degrees cooler in the summer. Again, you can kind of nitpick the paint. There's definitely some touch-up marks in it, but straight down the sides, set of 15-inch American Racing Torque Thrust Ds on it. Again, don't think the paint's horrible, but we sell 90% of these things that people, through the videos, people never come see them, so I do want you to know you can pick the paint. It's got CPP front disc brake kit on it, but don't think the paint's horrible. She took the car to car shows and stuff like that. Again, big block 396, Muncie 4-speed, nice little cam in it, aluminum intakes, got a Holley 4-barrel, stock exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power front disc brakes, tubular upper and lower control arms, big aluminum radiator in it with electric fan. Like I say, really hits the road good. Shifts out good. Oh, I've got new door handles for it too. Those are in the trunk. I'll make sure those get on there. Yeah, I love the lighter color interiors. Black, because you're just, you'll be sitting at a car show, or like I love to take my convertible to golf, and you're sitting out there in the parking lot with the top down. If they got black interior in them, man, they just get extremely hot. Yeah, almost 18,000 miles on the resto. Factory gauges, Audiosounds, radio works, blower motor works, stock shifter in there. I took some pictures of the top. It's got 2 boots that go with it. That's your door handles. Jack with spares in the trunk here. It's all spackle coated in there. Pretty original looking underneath. I know they said they had put I think floor pans on the driver's side, if I remember correctly. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got good sound. Box rear control arms. No big gear. Definitely something you can cruise on the highway in. Definitely redone those seats. Gauges are nice and clean. Again, we'll put the new door handles on it. Car runs out great. Not really much for, well, I guess gauges, all, yeah, it does have oil pressure gauge works, all that stuff's working in there. It's got good sound, man. Now you can hear that cam working. Radio works, blower motor works. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Oh, there they go. The wipers are on. Probably first time the wipers have been on for a while. That's a good looking car, man.